Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to fix wrong time zone or how you can change your time zone on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here, click on your start menu right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the search right here. Go ahead and type in control panel, then go ahead and click on control panel right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to clock and region right here. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on change the time zone. And this is going to pump up right here. So once you get to this particular point right here, go ahead and click on change time zone right here. And then you have other different time zone right here. So go ahead and click on here and choose your current time zone. And once you select your current time zone, it's going to automatically reset the time and the date as far as your Windows PC is concerned. So as for me in this PC, I'm using West Africa Central. So I'm using West Central Africa time zone right here. So go ahead and hit on OK, and then go ahead and come down below right here, and then go ahead and click on apply, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.